Alright, welcome back. And to those of you new here, I do like to start out these videos with a little disclaimer. That being said, I am not a financial advisor and nothing you see in this video is financial advice. This is simply me showcasing my skill and what I can do in these financial markets. Again, that is me showcasing my skill and what I can do in these financial markets. Not what you can do, not your skills, but I can tell you this. If you follow the teachings that I followed to get this skill and you put in the work and you go for the experience, again, I've been doing this for 3.5 years. If you are willing to put in the work and gain the experience, then maybe, just maybe, one day, you can be even better than me at this. You can make more money than me. Now, again, a lot of you people think this shit is risky. You think this shit is gambling, but it's not. Matter of fact, I'm very consistently doing this and I'm posting these videos with a purpose. And that's to show you guys that this is not risky. This is not gambling. In fact, I believe that if I were not doing this, that would in turn be way more risky than if I were doing this. The state of the economy right now, as we know it, the direction the world is heading is a very scary place. Can you really rely on someone else to continue to pay you, to continue to pay your bills for the rest of your life? No. Now with this skill, you don't have to worry about that. This is all you, on your own, you versus the market. Again, like I said, if I were not doing this, I would consider that way more risky than if I were. So, that being said, hope you guys enjoy this video, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Enjoy. Of course, when I finally take my entry into the trade, it does something different than what it's done the whole time. This shit is like, you can't make it up. I hate this. Let me... Oh no.
Can you pick what you want to do?
Very low hanging fruit. Very small trade. It's only 25 points. Get in there. Get in there. 2 contracts, 25 points. Oh my gosh, I didn't even realize it was that crazy. Holy shit. Very low hanging fruit, bro. I didn't even go for what I was wanting to go for. Oh my gosh. That's one and done. We out. Let's fucking go. Babe, I just made 1K.
Nice. Let's go to Waffle House. Oh, just a girl.
So as you heard there at the end of that trade, there was a bit of excitement when I closed out the trade because, again, even though it was on a paper trade, it was still 1K trade, still following the same system that I've been following, you know what I'm saying? And I say all this just to say that, dude, dude or girl, it's 2024, let's be real now. Anyway, once you have decided for yourself that you're going to put the time in to acquire this skill, to acquire the experience it takes to be profitable, to put in the time it takes to find a system that works for you, once you decide to hold yourself accountable and do all those things, and you finally start to be able to see a profit from trading, it is one of the most rewarding feelings I promise you'll ever feel in this life. Because now not only do you don't have to rely on someone else your whole life. With trading, you can scale. If you can make money in any sort of way and get it into a brokerage account, you can always scale. Once you have this skill, no one can take it away from you. It's up here. And that's why there's always emotions tied to this. But that excitement at the end of the video was a prime example of that, because I've put in the time and I'm finally starting to see all of the hard work I put in start to reward me. Even if it's only on a paper account. Seeing all the work I've put in finally work, the logic work in real time, seeing that I am doing exactly what I should be doing in most cases to be profitable, that's where it all comes in. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you did, I don't know what to do. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.